It is the 31st of August 2023. This is WIKISPEED Standup. Not a lot to report this week, so I'll just run through it. And Lauren hasn't joined. I don't think he was going to join. I can't remember. In any case, for the last week, all I got done was posting stand-up. I was expecting not to get very much done. I was only looking for 2 points. Next week, I have a long list of things that I would like to do on the Sun Founder, on Ross, and on the knitting machine. But again, I don't think I'm going to get all that much done, so I'm going to leave it as 2 points. My retro is that I got 1 out of 2 done, plus 1 for showing up is 6 out of 10. I'll go with 7 for the team. And our process improvement, or my process improvement, hasn't changed for quite a while. It's keeping Trello up to date so that if new members join, they have something to look through and some tasks they can start on. And that pretty much wraps it up for stand up. And I guess I'll just get this posted.